Imagine getting paid to upload videos. So this particular website or app you are seeing right here pay you to upload your videos. It doesn't have a particular criteria for you to reach before your videos are going to be before you start or before your videos are going to be monetized. So all you do here is just to post your content and you watch them pay you for using their app. So in this video, I'll be dropping my honest review concerning this app. So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly dive in. After downloading this particular app from your Play Store or your Apple Store, depending the one you are using, then it's going to open and the first interface you are seeing. So you're here, you have to sign in. It is mandatory use your email to sign in. Please guys, don't forget to like this video, comment something nice and subscribe, okay? Now let's continue. This place you are putting your email and then your gender and date of birth. Please do not make mistake. Put the correct email. When you are done, it will take you to the next interface. This place you are going to fill your, as in the things you love, okay? Now the things you want the app to recommend for you. So this place you choose the kind of sports. Remember I told you people that this app we are seeing here, the most content they post there is just about sports, okay? You can get it from anywhere. Then put your username, then your name, okay? First and last name, then your username. When you are done, the next stage is for you to also put your gender and then put your age for them to be sure that the first one you fill is the correct one. Then it takes you to where you are going to put your picture. Upload a beautiful picture from your gallery if you want your face to show, or any other pictures you can upload. It mustn't be your real face. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this moment, please do so for more quality content like this. So when you are done with your email, here you put your referral code, very important. You see, I just put my own referral code that someone, the one I used to register. Then you read their terms and condition, scroll up, read all, and they agree. Now you receive your welcoming bonus. Okay, you have joined via invite and end points. This is the reason why I told people that it's very important to use an invitation code to earn your points. When you click on professional dashboard, this is where all your earnings, your video views are. You are going to see the payments, how much you have earned from this very place you are seeing right now. So this place I was asked to claim my points. I click on claim now and then you are going to see something like this, which is also part of the process of claiming your points. Okay, you click finish and then see the points is successfully claimed. Mind you, you are going to stay in the app to complete it. Like I said, professional dashboard is where all your activities like normal Facebook, okay, this is where all of them will be accumulated. You can see up here claiming in progress. The reward is actually claiming in progress, and when it's complete, you are going to see my earnings. So, and now how do you earn? You are going to see when you click here, say no video so far, okay, and you click this place said no tags so far. So, and this place is telling me to upload my first video. Now if I want to edit my profile, I will edit my profile from here and share profile as well, add bios here and add links. Okay, right now you see I have no followers because I just open it new for you to see. So then let's go to this place, points. They say total balance is 100 points and it's still accumulating. So right now I have 0.03 USD. Do you see it? I have 0.03 USD right now. And if you click on this earn, we are going to see that how do you earn? You earn when you spend 60 seconds in this app, you earn 1 point per section. When you spend 5 minutes in the app, you earn 100 points. And then when you refer a friend, you earn 1 point per registration. So this is how you can earn by spending 60 seconds or spend 5 minutes in this app, and then you refer a friend. Then this app pays you for every post, for every post you post, every post you posted here, just like you monetizing your content, like the way you are doing in your Facebook and YouTube and other platform. So this is it. Now let me scroll down and take you this place. If you go to this learn more here, you watch this video, it's going to tell you all about this app. And like you see me registering the app from the beginning, the app is all about earning it's all about football. It's all about sports. Okay, it can be dancing, swimming, skating, anything. It's all about sports. So that is just it. And now let's go back. My point is actually when you click on social here, click on social here, you are gonna see click on notification, sorry. You join by referring, you earn 1 point. Do you see it? I join by referring, I earn 1 point. Okay, click on this plus sign, that is where you take you to where you are going to upload. So you can either post reels, or you post stories, or you post either you post reels, you post stories, or you post normal posts just like your YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So, and claiming in progress is still up there. You go to search, is where you see people post what they posted about football or other sport, or even lifestyle. Cause look at this one here now. So go to this place. This is where you see every other person's. This is where you see every other person's posts. You see every other person's post and how much they have earned so far. Do you get? Are you seeing it? And so far. So now let's go back to my dashboard. I see that I have actually accumulated. The points have actually been accumulated. Let me go to points. How much are you seeing here? How much are you seeing here? You are seeing 2.83 USD. That means I've accumulated 2.83 USD dollar just right now. All because I use my own boss referral link and I got 100 points. And then I did one tax also and I've got 1 point for using the referral link as well. If I should stay longer in this app, you see I will earn more. Like I said, when you click here, this is what you are going to be earning. Earn 1 point per section. When I say 60 seconds here, earn 5 minutes in this app. When I earn 100 points, if I spend 5 minutes in this app, and then I post if I make post and my post get to 100K views, of course I'll be getting money, and I withdraw once I get to $10. And right now I have $2 already. So when I withdraw my money, immediately I get to $10. Up here you see that it's still counting for me. Okay, it's still counting here. It's still counting up here for me. This place is still counting up here for me. So this is how you can make your money while you are in this app. And then if you want to withdraw this app, when you want to withdraw, I'll make video. My next video should be how to withdraw money from this app, because I like anything I experiment. I like anything I observe. I like experimenting it first, and then I'm telling you from experience for you to know, or it will be easier for you to like access it. It not have to be stressful. So my next video, I'm going to post how you can withdraw from this particular website. So this is me some days after I've been able to get followers, and I posted one video post. You can see it right here, and the video is not all about sports. So when you click on your dashboard, like I said, is where you're going to see all your earnings, your K views, and the money that you have earned from there. And then when you go to your points, click on your points, you are going to see that I've gotten up to $3. Yeah, I've gotten up to $3. It's not like before. So now let's go back to the main surface. You are going to earn, like I said, 5 minutes spent here is 100 points, and 60 seconds spent here is 1 point. And also do not forget to refer your friends if you have any to refer. So now let's go back to socials, where we will see. I want to show you my video so that you will see that is the video must not be sports. Okay, now look at this particular video here. When you see this video, you see that it's not sports. I got this video from one of the socials, and I don't want to play it for copyright sake. So I feel like this video is going to be enticing. That is why I posted this video here this evening, and it just gotten 1K view, one view instantly as I posted it. So this is me telling you that it mustn't be sport. Something you feel like is enticing that people can watch. okay, that people can watch. That is, yes, that is the kind of video you feel like you can post. Then another important thing is, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Drop a meaningful comment or what you want me to teach you in my next video, and do not forget to like this video if you like, if this video find you useful. See you guys in my next video. Bye.